Hi everyone! Today I'm baking these amazing Nutella stuffed cookies. They're so easy to make and tastes delicious. Kids and adults, everyone will love them. Spoon 10 large teaspoons of Nutella onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and freeze for 1 hour. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together flour, baking soda, cornstarch and salt until well combined. Set aside. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now. More easy and quick recipes are coming up. And please comment your suggestions too. And like the video if you enjoy my recipes. Comment what you want to learn next or what should be done for improvement. In a large size bowl, mix with a spatula the softened butter, sugar and vanilla until creamy. Add the egg and mix until combined. Don't worry if it lumps. Incorporate with a spatula. The flour mix into the butter, mix into times. Don't overmix the dough. If you live in a hot climate, maybe you could need to refrigerate the cookie dough for about 30 minutes. Use an ice cream scoop 5 centimeters to 2 inches and scoop out the cookie dough. Flatten the cookie dough ball into a circle and place in the center a frozen scoop of Nutella. Fold the edges of the cookie dough circle around Nutella stuffing and roll into a ball. If you live in a hot climate, roll quickly the cookies because Nutella tends to melt quickly. Or consider to freeze Nutella for minutes more. Place the balls onto a lined baking sheet and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Bake in preheated fan oven upper and lower heat at 180 C 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges will be slightly golden brown. Don't overbake them or Nutella will turn out dry and not creamy. Remove from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the baking. Repeat for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cookie balls. Enjoy and don't forget to like and subscribe.